students, I am Mukesh sir. My dear students, you have to learn today Roman system of numeration, then how you can represent Roman system of numeration in writing count. My dear students, I want to introduce first what is main symbol in Roman system of numeration. There are 7 alphabet to represent any number in Roman system of numeration. These are I, V, X, L, C, D and M only. My dear students, what is the meaning of this letter? 1, that means 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. You already familiar that facts about what is the meaning of these letters. For my dear students, today we will write count from 1 to 100. So please let us see how we can write. Please students, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then after that, students, we will add 1, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. This is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Students, concentrate here. We can use I, X, C and M only 3 times, not more than 3 times. That means after 3 times we will use for 40, then 50 less than 10. That means 50, and then we write in leftmost side of the any larger number that will be subtracted. So that means XL, that means 40. And then next, if we want to write count 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. This is students 50. And if we want to write continue 51, that means this 52, 53, that means there is 50 and then add 1, 2, 3, continue 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Students, you can take a screenshot of this count. Then after that I will write continue next count. Okay. Okay. And then next we want to write LX1, that means 61, LX2 60, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 students. And next what will be happen? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 students. And my dear students, you can take a screenshot of this count. And next what will be happen? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 students. We can't use more than 3 times. 1, X, C and M only we can repeat. Only 4 symbol we can repeat up to 3 times. Not more than 3 times. And then we will write 100. 100 that means C. C and then what is 90? 10 less than 100. So we will write X, C. That is 90 students. Take a screenshot of this count student. Now I am writing here 91 to 100. Here I am writing. Okay. See students, there are no space, so here is space. Now I am writing here XC1 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100 student. That is C. C that means century, you know already. So that is 100 up to 100. You can take a screenshot of this Roman count. I hope you understand that things about. If you have any problem, please contact me and comments in comment box in my channel. Thank you students. Thank you very much.